Google has unveiled the all-new Pixel 9 series, at the top of which is the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which is the spiritual successor to the original Google Pixel Fold. The new Pixel 9 Pro Fold has a taller design, including a 6.3-inch display on the front, which is the same size as the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, and that means that it'll feel more like a normal phone when it's folded up. Not only that, but the device is built to be thin, and indeed it is very thin, including when it's closed. That 6.3-inch outside display offers a 1080p resolution and up to a 120Hz refresh rate, along with a 2700 nit peak brightness. The inside screen is even more impressive. It's 8 inches, which is pretty huge, and it's an LTPO OLED display that can range from 1Hz to 120Hz in refresh rate. It has a 2076 by 2152 resolution, and it also ranges up to the impressive 2700 nit peak brightness. Under the hood, the new device offers the new Google Tensor G4 processor, which is built for better AI performance. That processor is coupled with 16GB of RAM, and there are options for either 256 or 512GB of storage. On the back of the phone is a new triple camera array, which is made up of a 48MP main camera, a 10.5MP ultra-wide camera, and a 10.8MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. According to Google, the 4650mAh battery will offer up to 24 hours of average usage, or up to 72 hours with the extreme battery saver enabled. And it supports wireless charging for convenient charging. Google says that the device will get 7 years of software updates, so it'll get all the latest and greatest software features as they become available. I really like the new look and feel of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, especially considering how thin it is.